Hello there from Amritsar. Finally out of Delhi. I got here this morning, checked into my hotel behind me. Took me a nice 3-4 hour nap because, man, I was exhausted. Took the night bus from Delhi last night. Left at 11:30. Didn't get in here till around 8:30. So, all right, but I feel nice and rested now. We're gonna get out and we're gonna get some food. Amritsar is famous for kulcha, which kind of looks like naan. And so we're gonna go do that. Right out here, it looks like they're collecting some bottles, some liquor bottles is what it looks like. So, some buses that are beat the hell up. Yeah, and the bus I was on last night, every single car that it passed on the highway or the road we were on, it would play its horn, which is not like a regular horn like that. It's like a but in like the loudest, high-pitched noise you can imagine. And so every 20-30 seconds you hear so yeah, let's just say I didn't get much sleep. And I got dropped off in the bus stop section area, and I found the nicest and easiest place I could find. And by the looks of it, it looks like a pretty rough area, but my hotel is nice. But around here to the corner, we're gonna walk over there. It looks like there's gonna be some food and some places that we can go explore and go eat. Wonder if that's like a rickshaw union meeting. They're fighting for more rights. What are they serving up over here? आप कैसे हो? भाई साहब, ये क्या है? लंगर से। लंगर? Free लंगर से। Free. Ah. All people like Gurudwara? Okay, so that's what they do here. It's part of the Sikh religion. It's volunteer. You give out to the public, right, for free. So we'll have to check that out. Thank you, sir. At the Golden Temple later, but they serve like 100,000 people a day here. It's all volunteer. It's all free. Anyone can come and get a nice, fresh, hot meal. Pretty cool. Hello, bhai sahab. Nahi chahiye. Abhi nahi chahiye. Abhi nahi. Bad me, thank you. So everyone's asking me, oh, you're here for the Golden Temple, which I am here for the Golden Temple, but it's not what I want to do today. We'll do that tomorrow. We're going to get out and get some food. But it looks like we're just here on the main drag, the main stretch right here. The city has its own cinema. You can watch a movie. That noise that you just heard, that's kind of the noise, the honk that my bus had last night. Every 30 seconds. It's that. Not too bad. Come get a little pocket mirror, maybe a wallet. Wow. Getting a little more busier, that's for sure. Don't get run over. They're coming whether you like it or not. Damn. Okay. Alright, those girls got across without me. They left me hanging. Alright. Oh, excuse me. Damn, don't hit me. Don't kill me. Alright. I made it. I made it. Look. I'm not sure if you've noticed yet, but I'm in a very different area than I was compared to New Delhi. So I'm in Punjab now. And Punjab is the home of the Sikhs, the Sikh religion. So you'll see a lot more people wearing turbans. You'll see a lot more dudes with super long beards, because that's one of the things that they had to follow in Sikhism is never cutting their beard. And so you'll see a lot of very impressive beards here that put mine to shame. Another cool thing about Sikhism is that they get to carry a sword. That's part of it. There's like 5 Ks that they're supposed to adhere to. Sat Sri Akal. One of them is not cutting their hair. Another one is being able to carry a dagger or a sword. And so I've already seen a couple guys with like what looks like almost like a katana, like a huge sword on their by their waist. Some baby posters. Jesus, what's going on here? Wow, what is this? Here's the Golden Temple here. All the gurus. The guru. Guru, yeah?
Golden Temple.
Golden Temple guru. Okay. The honking. So, alright. Thank you. What is going on here? And so in Sikhism, it's only like a 500-600-year-old religion, and they follow the teachings of 10 gurus, 10 like actual people that lived like 500 years ago. Oh. Sat Sri Akal, Sat Sri Akal, okay. And the one cool thing I like about Sikhism, as I was learning a little bit about it, is that they accept all religions. And so the first guru, he had this epiphany, he had this realization that, you know, all religions are essentially the same, I guess, and that they're all seeking one true God, if that makes any sense. And so I think you'll find a little bit of everything in Sikhism. Like they're welcoming to all religions. I feel like I came to the most happening place in the city so far. Got music blaring. They have all these beautiful things hanging up over here. Down in this little alley right here, they got these huge pots of something that everyone's eating. And noise.
So, are you a vlogger?
I'm a vlogger, yes sir.
YouTube ID?
Nick K.
Nick K.
गुरु का लंगर है शिवरात्रि है शिवरात्रि
ये क्या है?
शिवरात्रि का
खाना?
शिवरात्रि शिवजी भगवान का मना रहे हैं शिवजी भगवान
मैं नहीं समझते.
Lord Shiva marriage.
Huh?
Lord Shiva marriage festival.
Lord Shiva marriage festival today. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. Big festival today. क्या मैं देख सकते हैं?
You will see the food.
Yeah.
Nacho.
Can I see it, huh? Yeah, man. They have these huge pots of food here. Hello. Damn. Okay, and you can feel the heat underneath them too. It's just not pots of just chilling here. There's fire underneath them too. Wow, oh my gosh. Damn. That is a lot of food. It looks like a creamy nacho cheese color too. Hello sir. What is this?
Koda.
Koda. Okay, fried koda. That's what he's doing back here? Koda. भाई साहब क्या मैं देख सकते हैं? Oh, thank you. So they're just frying up a bunch of food back here. I guess it's Lord Shiva's wedding anniversary. I don't know. Nice Tom Brady jersey. Tom Brady. Nice to meet you, brother.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you, sir?
Very good.
Good, good. Incredible.
Kheer.
What is it?
Kheer.
Kill.
Kheer. Badam. Doodh. Kesar.
मैं खाना चाहता हूँ. I want to try. Over there? Okay. Jai Shankar. Shankar. Jai Shankar. Try to get out of here and find a place we can eat this. Alright, let's give this stuff a go. So it's just basically some rice and some sort of like nacho cheese, creamy curry sauce. Very curious to see what it tastes like. Tastes like curry. Got some of the green basil looking stuff in there. Not too spicy, but it's nice and hot too. Like it's, I like it. It's a happening place around here. So this building right here is the Partition Museum. Over on the side over there, they've put in a Starbucks, and I even see Domino's Pizza up there. Wow. But the partition, I think, was one of the most uncomfortable things that I ever learned about India before coming here. It's horrible what happened here, especially in this area of India, in which I'm right next to the Pakistani border. And so, essentially what happened, I'm going to wrap it up like real quickly just to explain to people that have no idea. In 1947, when the British finally left India, they basically just drew a line separating Pakistan and India, and now Bangladesh used to be Pakistan, but they basically just drew a line and said, okay, Muslims are going to go to Pakistan, and then the Sikhs and Hindus are going to reside in India. They didn't tell them they had to go, but that's kind of how they took it. And so essentially you had the biggest mass migration of people in history almost. Like 15 million people just left their homes, Hindus and Sikhs and Muslims, people who had coexisted for centuries, left their belongings and just booked it to one side of the line. And so, yeah, I mean, it sounds simple enough, but what ensued was mass chaos and violence. Something like 1 million to 2 million people died. Hundreds of thousands of women were raped. It's just crazy. And it's almost like, I don't know, what do you think? Did the British do that on purpose? I mean, surely you wouldn't think so, but it's one way for them just to be like, all right, wash our hands of everything. We're going to draw a line here, and then, all right, it's up to you guys now. But anyways, let's walk through here real quick. Those are the biggest pieces of naan I've ever seen in my life. Look at that. Alright, so I found the place I wanted to go. A place that I had saved on my maps. It's called Kisar Da Daba. It looks like they have the restaurant over here, but then on this side is where they're cooking up and making all the bread. Kya may take video? Kar sakte hain? No? Wow. Okay. Thanks, brother. So I just went with the special. I guess you get a little bit of everything. What's up? What would this be? Something cheese?
This palak paneer.
Palak paneer. That's what this place is famous for?
This dal fry, this raita, this chena fry, this lacha paneer.
Okay. A little bit of everything, looks like. Fins.
And then
Pain too?
super painful at night. Yeah.
Okay.
I haven't had it like that for a long time.
Homeboy here.
Today I feel.
This is his first Indian meal in 4 days because he had food poisoning, and so good luck, man.
Thanks, man. We'll see how it goes.
Like I said, so far so good here. Yeah, super oily, isn't it?
It looks so good.
Very oily. Cheese is kind of like tofu. It's not like the typical Western cheese, you know? It's like it has an interesting texture. Nice layer of grease on there. Maybe one of the best Indian meals I've ever had. This is it right here. Getting a quick peek at what the kitchen looks like right here. Hello. I wish you could smell it. It smells so good. What's up? It was very good. Thank you. It was good. Thank you, guys. All right, so I didn't find culture, but that's okay. Still got the belly full. I think culture might be like a breakfast thing, so we can do that tomorrow morning. Sweet. Jalebi. Okay. From here, I think I'm just gonna make my way back to my hotel and chill and relax. Maybe work on a video, and then tomorrow we'll get out and go see the Golden Temple and do all that. So.